How to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Google Chrome web browser. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable graphics acceleration in Google Chrome. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Google Chrome web browser and then click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen and then scroll down and go to Settings. That is between Help and Exit option, tap on it. In the Settings menu, find and click on the System tab from the left hand side of the screen. That is between Accessibility and Reset Settings, tap on it. Here you will see an option labeled as Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn this toggle on and after that click on Relaunch button. Once you click Relaunch, the Google Chrome will restart and graphics acceleration will be enabled. This will allow your browser to run more smoothly and handle heavier tasks that were previously difficult. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.